from the apron, Echo Alpha Kilo.
From the apron, the direct heading southeast.
Exactly, southeast, Echo Alpha Kilo.
Okay, clear.
Echo Alpha Kilo.
Ah, you just gotta ask. So here we am.
Neiva Tower, helicopter R666, Canadian Golf Echo Alpha Kilo.
Echo Alpha Kilo, good afternoon, runway used to 0, wind 180 degrees 08 knots, QN is 298.
Neiva Charlie, Golf Echo Alpha Kilo, clear to land. We are very excited. It's our first antipode on a round the world trip. Thank you, sir.
Here we come. First antipode. We are here, you guys. We're about to touch down on our first antipode. Opposite side of the world from here is Malaysia. Indonesia, sorry. Indonesia. Man, this is super exciting to be here. Wow. That's what a moment. We've come a long, long ways to be here, man. Ruben, we have just reached our first antipode.
Yes!
Diogo,